and welcome to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about concatenate. It is about how to join two different texts or how to join two different words or more than two different words at the same time. It is a very simple function of Excel, but it is quite helpful at times. So let's try to understand how it works. Here I already have some data, that is first name, middle name and the last name. If I try to combine these first name, middle name and the last name, then we have to write the formula in this manner. I will write here equal, then I will type here concatenate, CONCATENATE, then open bracket. Now go to the first name, then give comma here, go to the middle name, give comma here, go to the last name, then close the bracket, hit enter. You will see this first name, middle name and the last name got combined in this cell, and if I drag it from here till here, I will get the result for all these names. Now here we can see one thing, these names are not separated by a space or a gap. So to get a space between first name and the last name, or first name and the middle name and the last name, we have to write the formula in this manner. I will write the formula. I will type here equal, then again I will type here concatenate, then I can press the tab button, Excel will automatically accept it. Now go to the first name, then give comma here. Now I will type one more thing, it is double quote, then space bar, again double quote, then comma. So it will be separated by a space bar. Now go to the middle name, then comma, again type here double quote, space bar, double quote, comma, then go to the last name and hit enter. Now I can see the first name and the last name and the middle name are separated by space. There is a gap between these two, between these names. Now if I drag this data, I will get all the names. So this is how concatenate works. Friends, if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.